Hello guys, we'll be making first the unboxing of the Lian Li Minicube PC Q07 case. Always use your trusted key. Come on. There it is. Here is a manual which you will need if you want to connect your motherboard correctly. Here's the manual. And we'll be using these. Here we have, this is probably the accessory box, and here we have the Lian Li Mini ITX case. Now, let's go over the accessories, which is, of course, cable ties, cable management, 2 sets of screws, 2 packs, I mean, and the motherboard to power and reset button cable. As you can see, it's aluminum finish. You have your 5.6, if I'm not mistaken, inch slot for any DVD, CD-ROM, card reader, anything you might want to add there, even a cup holder. You have your power button and your reset button, which does feel really glossy and smooth. You also have 2 USB 3.0 ports, which are marked in blue. On the left side we have lots of ventilation, because the motherboard will be on the other side. On the top we also have some ventilation, and I'm not sure, we haven't read anything yet, but this probably comes off the top, so you can add any equipment, or possibly I'm wrong, probably the top, the front and the sides come off. On the left side, which is not the other one, we have some air ventilation, and at the back, of course, lots of ventilation. You've got your place for your full-blown power supply unit. You have your I/O ports where you'll be sticking your motherboard, and of course the one PCI Express slot where you can put the low-profile dedicated graphics card. You also have your cables for connecting to the motherboard, and the USB 3.0 cables. This was pretty much it. The cameraman reminds me that we haven't talked about this accessory. This is actually an original product from Lian Li, and you can purchase it if you want to hide your DVD-ROM behind the same color set or texture set as your case, and you can just purchase one of these for like £12 and replace it with just the cutout slot. So, if I'm not mistaken, this has been an unboxing and a first view of the Lian Li PC Q07 Mini ITX case. See you on the next video.